A340 IDG Disconnection Reconnection. In this video, we will present an operational test of the IDG Disconnection Reconnection function on engine number 3. Warning: be careful when you work on the engine components immediately after engine shutdown. The engine components can stay hot for up to 1 hour. Safety precaution: make sure that the related engine shutdown occurred not less than 5 minutes before you start this procedure. On panel 145 VU, put a warning notice to tell persons not to start the engines. On panel 125 VU, make sure that the engine master switch number 3 is in the off position. Then, put a warning notice on it to tell persons not to power the ECU. On panel 285 VU, make sure that the on legend of the engine FADEC ground power push-button switch number 3 is off. Then, put a warning notice on this panel to tell persons not to power the FADEC system. Open the right door of the fan cowl on engine number 3. Lift the switch guard and push the IDG push-button switch number 3. Caution: do not push the IDG disconnect push-button switch for more than 3 seconds. There must be at least 60 seconds between 2 operations of the switch to prevent damage to the disconnect solenoid, which will become too hot. On the IDG number 3, if you feel a click while you hold the disconnect reset ring, this shows that the disconnect function operates correctly. When you close the circuit breaker 4XU3 on panel 721 VU in the avionics compartment, the amber disc indication comes into view under the IDG number 3 indication. Slowly pull the disconnect reset ring to the outward limit of travel. The disconnect mechanism should move freely without any hard point. Then, slowly release the reset ring to its initial position. Caution: always engage the disconnect mechanism with the disconnect reset ring before you start the engine. If not, you will cause damage to the dog teeth at engine start. On the ELEC AC ECAM page, the amber disc indication goes off. Slowly pull the disconnect reset ring again to the outward limit of travel, and then release it slowly to its initial position. Close the right door of the fan cowl on engine number 3. The operational test of the IDG Disconnection Reconnection function on engine number 3 is now completed.